Hello, I'm Fire Chief Joshua Hartbarger. Smoke alarms are an important part of your fire safety plan. Once a month, you should press the test button and ensure the detector is working. Detectors should be on each level of your home and outside every bedroom. You should replace the batteries every spring and fall when you change your clocks. Detectors should also be replaced every 10 years. Take a look at the back of your detector and see when the date it was manufactured. If it's older than 10 years old, it's time to be replaced. You can buy new ones from most online vendors or local hardware stores. Thanks for tuning in to this Fire Prevention Week Tip.